Girl, I go wake up early morning and go up on the road. I go up on a little job. And I go from store to store. I go touch a market section. And then you never know what else can chip in. So yeah, man, I will try to put a video together. Day 5 in December. Yeah, it's a little bit dark because the main light turned off. I just the TV light on. So catch up with you guys and I will see you through the vlog. Share, like and subscribe before I go. And we see you in the hope you enjoy the video. I'm gonna try catch some local stuff out on the road, okay? Bye, I love you. Yeah, this is the curtain aisle. I'm tired. I needed police here. Maybe say I want white, but I don't know if I want to use. Girl, just come off 2080 something. I don't know. What I think. What the color here? Something light in my room. You know already we do the black, so we can't do no dark color. Can't do too much darkness. So you know it go? So nice. 2, 3. Sorry, Mama. Oh, you were looking at this? So guys, wanna help me here? I don't know. Let's see one bright yellow. Now one different store when I say what I use. This is my color I always buy. Red. I don't know if I need no more red. I have grey and red in there already. So everything I put more price in, but I guess everywhere else at the same price. Some place may a little bit cheaper, but you have to shop around. So see that the two are there? I don't really know if I really like that. Or I have a circle. I'm not think I really like that. And some wallpaper. Wall picture. Who have lawn and outside patios. The umbrella them up here, so I love this. Who can buy me this? I love this. This look nice. How much for it? 9,500. Wow. Nice though. Nice. So just a random passing through oil spot, a tampon in True Value. I need no blender. I get it as gift fine, but I don't need it. I need nothing around here, so. That the light stuff, right? So I like that one here. That one up here, so. This one. I like this one. Yeah, look at it. Tell me if you don't like it. It's a round, nice design. Ball settings. Tell me if you don't like it. Like that one there. This don't look too bad either. No, I'm not like that. Not much. Anything like that one here. So it's a old variety. This one is nah, don't like that. No, not no another earlier, but me just a catcher. You know, yeah, not have a lot of stuff. So most people go uptown. Pots, blender, no blender. And here don't have a lot of stuff. I mean, they even go by maximum to find more. Thank you, people. I reach a market grog. 3.
300?
Reach a market grog, mama. So you time there, mama? May I ask you that too?
How much your yam? 150 euro yam.
How much you want for the onion? Give me a phone. Just I could just buy when I can buy now. Because I can't buy with it every day. I give me too much of the big one then because my daughter have a style for use half. I mean I like when I cut and put on. Prefer she just use one and done because after a while there's something come out of them. Then I understand how to use them something there. They use them and put them down for use again and I no use. Onion. Pepper.
You better watch out. You better watch out. You better watch out.
Cheese, pimento, garlic.
And give me yam. Yellow one or white one.
I may put that there.
250. 6? You go 6. How much?
I need 2 pack of them peas there.
More like 5.
How much I doesn't feel okra?
Alright, 6 125. 200 that doesn't feel.
What? Look here. Look at me if I go start planting things in my bedroom now, you know.
So you sell it all around?
250 okay.
4 pepper?
1 pound.
Me 6 of them pepper, you know.
Check that and tell me how much.
How much is that pound for the yam?
150.
Give me 2 pounds. A nice piece too. No, give me a dozen pepper. How much we dozen pepper?
And the pepper?
Look here. I don't give me Christmas price now.
With the pepper to mom? No, I don't know if you want pepper. She may say.
You pay one, 3?
Yeah, my bloggers, they go here me a ball bomb price. Me have to ball.
125 is 6, 250 are those.
125 is 6.
Me 2 pound of yam.
So check me now, Miss Anton. Yeah. Are the 2, what is it? 150 for the yam, 110 for the
Oh boy. Yeah. Stick here road, but we have to eat food. Yet. DK drills, you said? Right. In Portmore Mall. Anything you guys need? They're not paying me for advertisement doing now. Watch, phone, charger, anything you want. I'll come over here, come see the light. We use for do a video. So I'm going to try to get one from over here. 2, then I'm going to press my nose. What's her name? I take her name first. Shania is going to press my nose. Anything happen to me, I come look for her. See her?
Guys, keep up the good work. And of course, 2020 is almost over. So,
I forgot all the kite that slide.
It's funny, see Miranda.
Yeah, big Adam mirror. Oh my God, my eyes start run water already. It's alright, right? That's all? Yeah, I wonder. But my body, no, but my pierce nose. Lucky. And a comment down below if you don't like the nose piercing.
I got file it.
No, that man just
Wait, I push it through this.
Yeah.
I want to pain my brain in my life. I don't think I like it anymore.
But this is supposed to attach. The one you're supposed to
Never
attach.
asked.
I'm gonna use.
Legal.
Oh, I never asked. So many already.
Go on, man. Don't you?
Yeah?
I feel nothing. I just feel a little tingling.
Yeah,
You see, you make my eye run water.
May I go for the right chopper because she's the right chopper.
Okay, it's one of girl Pierce nose. This is history in John book. She bore me. She just push it through like nothing. And there's something that knit me here.
So you just gotta use garlic and clean it.
Why garlic?
Watch me clean garlic.
Why garlic?
Okay, better.
There's something that burn too much.
Clean it better. Use it faster. I'm not getting a black spot now on the bone.
So how am I supposed to use it? Just rub it on it?
Yeah, the sometimes I can squeeze out the juice from it. Yeah. You like it?
Guys, I'm not doing bad to me. I'm not lucky. All who can pierce knows a duppy bat. It never hurt. It feels good. I thought it was, long Monday. I'm not if I'm about. So don't use no alcohol on it then.
No.
And their name is?
Shania.
So if you don't want Shania be piercing on nose, it go through like a baby, guys. No pain, it just a little stick.
Yeah, what your YouTube name?
Lavern the Lavish. Yeah.
When you put that over there?
I'm going to put it up later. So I have a next piece I go up with
I'm
it.
going to watch it later.
So please subscribe to my channel, ladies.
Yes, subscribe to mine too.
You have one too?
Yes.
So we're phone there. Oh my God! Put up your YouTube name.
Okay guys, so my YouTube name is Life of Shadeen. Make sure to subscribe.
You're from Portmore?
Yes.
She's living in Portmore, guys. Please subscribe to our channel, like, share, and comment. We're mostly though. Like me do everything we can catch. Lavern the Lavish.
Lavern.
Yeah.
Spell the what?
Lavern space DE.
DE.
Lavish. Lavish.
I'm going to subscribe later. I'm going to get the service.
Up on the road back again in another store. I try find something. I'm just a look on some.
Madam, gold nose ring.
One of them kind of stores sell everything. So I have plans here. What am I doing at the jewelry section? You guys may be asking, what am I doing at the jewelry section?
Yeah, gold. The pretty lady wants a gold nose ring for
I want to see them.
Nothing but Christmas lights and gold. None of them something there, Christmas tree.
So guys, just taste my nose. I'm gonna leave out of the store, go into another store. So I'm in another little store. I am from store to store, searching and looking around for stuff. But I can't even see nothing. I'm getting snake here. I'm afraid of snake. There's snake in there, guys. I don't know. I'm vase here. I don't know if you like them. Some of them nice, some of them. Yes. Yes. This is bucket, maps bucket corner. Map on bucket corner. I like the bucket here. Space saver container. The stuff that you want to put away. It's like a clothespin. Just a come out of the island. So threading dish. The dish is underneath the bottom and the grater on the top. Easy to use. All like these. We have the sugar holder. Like the design. See, they're nice. Forever one. Drainer. These stronger. Remember one of the white one, the colored one, and the chlorine. And you use the colored one, then the chlorine mess them up on the show. So if you mean you have to clean it. The white one them still show, but it's not so bad. Remember one of the white one. Shower curtain. I don't even know. The material yellow and white, something like this. It's nice. This can use 1,300. I can material up the people and something. The curtain are yellow white. I said the beauty I so because there's something. Yeah, guys, I come out of here, bro. I'm come out. Different thing, 7. Different thing me come on the road, come out of them. So, still not there, I'm come. Huh?